Pre-vocabulary list for understanding marine biology-related passages. 1. Phytoplankton. Microscopic marine plants that form the base of the marine food chain. 2. Zooplankton. Small animals that drift in the ocean, often serving as food for larger organisms. 3. Benthic. Referring to the bottom or seafloor of a body of water. 4. Coral reef. A diverse marine ecosystem formed by colonies of coral polyps. 5. Marine Protected Area (MPA) designated regions in the ocean where human activities are restricted to conserve marine life and habitats. 6. Ecosystem. A community of organisms interacting with each other and their environment. 7. Pelagic. Referring to the open ocean, away from the coast or seafloor. 8. Marine mammal. A mammal that lives in the ocean, such as dolphins, whales, and seals. 9. Estuary. A partially enclosed coastal area where freshwater from rivers and saltwater from the ocean mix. 10. Larva. The early developmental stage of many marine organisms, often distinct from the adult form. 11. Mangrove. A type of coastal tree or shrub that grows in saline or brackish water. 12. Seagrass. Flowering plants that grow in shallow marine environments and provide important habitats for many marine organisms. 13. Upwelling. The process by which cold, nutrient-rich water rises to the ocean's surface, supporting high levels of productivity. 14. Marine biodiversity. The variety and abundance of life in the ocean, including the number of different species. 15. Marine pollution. Contamination of the ocean by human activities, such as plastic debris, oil spills, or nutrient runoff. 16. Ocean acidification. The ongoing decrease in the pH of the Earth's oceans caused by the absorption of carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. 17. Marine protected species. Species that are legally protected due to their conservation status or vulnerability. 18. Cetacean. A group of marine mammals that includes whales, dolphins, and porpoises. 19. Bioluminescence. The production of light by living organisms, often observed in deep-sea environments. 20. Marine ecology. The study of how organisms interact with each other and their environment in marine ecosystems. These terms and expressions are commonly used in marine biology and provide a glimpse into the fascinating world of the ocean and its inhabitants. Title: Passage on Marine Biology. Marine biology is the scientific study of organisms that inhabit the oceans and other saltwater environments. It is a multidisciplinary field that combines elements of biology, chemistry, physics, geology, and ecology to understand the complex interactions between marine organisms and their environment. The oceans cover more than 70% of the Earth's surface, making them a vital part of our planet's ecosystem. Marine biologists investigate a wide range of topics, including the biodiversity of marine life, their adaptations to the marine environment, their behavior in ecological relationships, and the impact of human activities on marine ecosystems. One of the key areas of study in marine biology is understanding the various forms of marine life. The ocean is home to an incredible diversity of organisms, from microscopic phytoplankton to massive marine mammals. Marine biologists explore the classification, distribution, and abundance of these organisms, seeking to uncover the interconnected web of life that exists beneath the waves. Another important aspect of marine biology is the study of marine ecosystems. Marine ecosystems are complex and dynamic systems that include a wide array of habitats such as coral reefs, kelp forests, estuaries, and deep-sea trenches. Understanding these ecosystems is crucial for evaluating their health and resilience and for developing effective conservation strategies. Marine biologists also investigate the physiology and behavior of marine organisms. They explore how marine life has adapted to survive in the harsh conditions of the ocean, such as extreme pressures, low temperatures, and limited light availability. They study the migration patterns, reproductive strategies, and feeding habits of marine species to gain insights into their life histories and population dynamics. Furthermore, marine biology plays a vital role in addressing environmental challenges and conserving marine resources. Scientists study the impacts of climate change, pollution, overfishing, and habitat destruction on marine ecosystems, helping to inform policies and management practices aimed at preserving these valuable resources for future generations. In summary, marine biology is a fascinating and important field of study that delves into the intricate workings of marine ecosystems and the organisms that inhabit them. By unraveling the mysteries of the ocean, marine biologists contribute to our understanding of the natural world and help protect and conserve these fragile and essential environments. Here are